Hello. In this short video, I'm going to talk about and demonstrate how to import a STL file into the 3D Experience platform and also how to mesh that STL file using finite element meshes so that you can do some downstream simulations. Let's get into the demonstration. To import a STL file in 3D Experience platform, you need an app called digitized shape preparation. So you go ahead and search for digitized shape preparation and go into that app. It creates a physical product here. So once you're in this app context, you can go to this plus icon and then go to the import section where you can see that there is a digitization file option, which you can click to import your STL file. So you can import the STL file from your local machine. So once you open it up, you can give the name to a STL file to be stored inside the 3D Experience platform. So once you say OK, it's going to ask you for some parameters for the STL. So do you want to scale the STL file or things like that? I will accept some default parameters and say yes. As you can see, the STL file comes into the 3D Experience platform like this. Now this is a STL file, right? So let's go and see how to mesh this STL file. So to mesh this STL file, all you have to do is to go to the top level of the product and insert a finite element model for this product. And you can name the finite element model. I'll accept the default name. So once you're in the finite element model, you double click on the finite element model to go to the meshing application where you're able to do all kinds of meshes. But as you can see with STL file, the one mesh that we would recommend you to do to create a solid element of the STL file is a hex-dominant mesh. Click on the hex-dominant mesh and click on this geometry, the STL geometry, and then you can put some maximum and minimum mesh sizes, and then you should be able to go ahead and say mesh. This should get a hex dominant mesh on this on this STL file. So now that we can see that it has completely meshed it, you can see the mesh. You can also see the mesh quality by going into the check section in quality analysis, showing that there are no bad elements. So you're going to have very good mesh. And the solid mesh is made of wedges, tetrahedrons, hexahedrons, and pyramids also. So which you can use in Abacus explicit and standard. That's my short demo. Thank you. Bye.